Happy Halloween, everybody. Here we are at Coffee Bean. Happy Halloween. Hi, ladies. Hi. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Carpinteria foot and body spa. Hey, happy Halloween, girls. Guys, hi. Happy Halloween. We're at the United Studios of Self-Defense. Hi.
It was a graveyard smell. It caught on.
Happy Halloween, Nut Deli.
Happy Halloween.
Hi, Spider-Man. How you doing? Oh, look at this guy.
The party had just begun.
Happy Halloween. Where are we at here? What's...
Blue Orchid Boutique.
All right. Happy Halloween.
There's Colby.
And his son. The scene was
Hey, happy Halloween.
rocking, the sound.
Are you Obama?
Yeah.
That's cool. Happy Halloween, everybody. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, Reynaldos. Yeah, come in here. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
And it was a graveyard smack.
Happy Halloween.
On in a flash.
Happy Halloween.
They played the monster
Happy,
mash.
happy Halloween to Reynaldos.
Hey, how you doing?
She was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?
Happy Halloween there.
It's now the
Happy
monster.
Halloween.
Oh, look at
It's
that.
now a graveyard smash.
Well, look.
It's caught on in a flash.
Nice. Happy
It's
Halloween.
now the monster mash. Now everything's cool, cracks a part of
Yes.
the band. And my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living.
Yasmin, I like your outfit. What are you dressed
my
as?
door, tell them Barney sent.
Spider? Nice.
And you can monster mash
Well,
and do my
nice.
I've very nice legs.
catch on with a
Nice
flash.
fire.
Very nice. You have an awfully
Then
long,
you can
skinny neck.
monster mash.
Wow. Are you a real head? Wow. Okay, nice talking.
Easy, God, you impetuous young boy. Mash good.
Hey Joshua, happy Halloween. Hey JD, happy Halloween.
What are you doing here?
Hey, there's Dominic. Happy Halloween.
Dominic Little Larry.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
All right. Happy Halloween, Art Center. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
They're
Happy Halloween. What do you guys... Oh, here we go. You're handing out goodies from the Art Center, huh?
Yes, I am.
You let him pick. Which one do you want?
Hey, what are you dressed as?
Minecraft.
Nice. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
What do you like?
Well, here's Laughing Buddha. Happy Halloween there. Where are we at? We're at Rory's, or this is Tacos Don Roje. All right, Tacos Don Roje. How you doing? Happy Halloween. Looks good in there. Rory's ice cream. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. It's a city of cars.
City of Carp.
Slashing prices. And, well, no.
So you're a new place in town, huh?
Oh yeah, we're fairly new. We're only 3 weeks in due to the Avocado Festival. Literally today, we're 3 weeks
And
new.
what's the name of your place?
We're the Rory's Artisanal Creamery in town.
All right.
7th store.
And Don Roje next door here. Hi, guys. Hi. Happy Halloween there. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Oaxaca Fresh, where are we at?
Oaxaca Fresh.
Nice to see you. Happy Halloween. I like your outfit. Where are we at here? The Palms, huh?
And look at, we have like, hi.
Happy
We have the
Halloween.
beautiful princess. Aww.
Pizza Man Dan?
Big coming then.
All right.
Yeah, she's a Dalmatian.
Nice Dalmatian outfit, and you're a fireman? Nice, fireman, yeah. And you're dressed as?
Just mom.
Just mom.
Okay, well, good
Fire
job on
Chief
those
Dad.
outfits. Okay. Thanks, bye-bye. How are you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
What's this place?
Rincon Designs.
All right.
Here you go. Trick or treat.
What are you dressed as?
A dog biting my butt.
Okay, go walk away and let me see that. That's funny. Good job.
Transformer.
Transformer. And what are you dressed as? A skeleton?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, it's scary. Okay, thanks guys. Hi. What are you, a kitty cat? Nice. Oh, and what are you?
I'm Cleopatra.
What?
I'm Cleopatra, but in black.
Okay, very nice. What are you ladies?
Cleopatra.
Wow. Team Cleopatra. Nice. Happy Halloween, guys. What are you dressed as?
I'm a scientist.
Scientist, yeah.
I'm a fireman.
Nice. Okay, happy Halloween. Holland, what are you dressed as? Scary lady?
A vampire.
A vampire. What are you dressed as?
A nerd.
Nice, a nerd. Hey, where are we at here?
Wow. Traveling pants at
We're traveling
Carpinteria.
pants. And where are we at here?
We are at the Carpinteria T-shirt company.
We are at the Carpinteria Kiosk.
Carpinteria Kiosk Visitor Center. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Wow. Happy Halloween. Hi, where are you from?
Martin Final.
And what are you out here doing?
We're passing out candy for the trick-or-treaters.
Nice to see you guys. Nice to see you. So what are you guys dressed as?
Oh, I'm a greaser. I'm a boxer.
Boxer,
Yeah.
greaser. Wow, I like your outfit. What are you dressed as?
Maleficent.
Treat. Trick or treat.
Me?
Hi guys, trick or treat and happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to senior frogs. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to Robotize.
The chocolate.
That one's chocolate with the skeleton on it.
I love your outfit, by the way.
Thank you.
Wow, the spaceship meets the Viking ship.
I know.
Wow, look at this. Happy Halloween. And where are we at with you?
We're at Cork Tree. Got my lollipops.
All right, Cork Tree Cellars. Wow, look at that outfit. It's a great outfit. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween here. Where are we at here? Okay. Nice to see you.
me.
Okay, where's Mr. Canyon? He lost him.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
And where are we at here?
Pacific Health Food.
Nice to see you guys.
Yeah,
You're
you
doing
too.
well here. How you doing? Happy Halloween. Caught you on tape eating a biscuit or something. So, happy Halloween. Where are we at here?
Carpinteria Barbershop.
Carpinteria Barbershop. Happy Halloween, Marty. How are you guys all doing? Looking good in here. Giovanni's Pizza. Happy Halloween. Yeah, I like your face. Right. Hey, happy Halloween. And where are we at here?
Valley Barbers. Happy Halloween.
Yeah, Valley Barbers. Nice to see you. Happy Halloween.
Good to you.
Oh, sorry.
Hey there. Where are we at here?
Danny's Deli.
Hey,
Danny's Deli and Car Wash.
happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah. Wow, look at that princess. Here we are at Rincon Brewery. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, ladies. Okay, Heritage Goods. Happy Halloween here.
Hey, happy Halloween.
Cowboy bag.
Oh. Thank you.
It's the Heritage Goods and Supplies store. So we've got tons of goods that we can supply the community with, from like chicken feed to pottery, jewelry, cards, clothing.
Trying to change nobody.
Yeah, happy Halloween, Lucky Llama. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Halloween!
Well, thank you. Tell me, what's your favorite candy?
I like Jolly Ranchers.
Nice. You?
Reese's.
Nice.
Cookies.
Ooh.
Reese's.
Nice.
Snickers.
Ooh.
I can't decide, but I think Tootsie Rolls or York Peppermint Patties are my favorite.
So what's up?
Happy Halloween!
You my graveyard smash. You'll catch on with a flash.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Hi, I'm Mocha from Montecito Bank and Trust. Happy Halloween!
Hey, thanks a lot. Nice to see you, everybody. Well, hi.
Hi there, Larry. Happy Halloween. Here's your portrait.
All right.
All right.
And where are we at here?
Uncle Chen's restaurant.
Uncle Chen. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Happy Halloween!
Nice guys. Well, happy Halloween. Have fun.